Good morning, sir. I'm Engine Cadet Digamo Jan Miko.
And I'm Engine Cadet Sargilia Urbin.
I'm Engine Cadet Talebo Janloy. I'm Engine Cadet Adrian Murada.
And we are Group 6.
So our topic for today is about science and technology in Philippines. So Philippine science education faces significant hurdles despite its recognized importance. Resource limitations in schools, particularly in rural areas, hinder hands-on learning due to a lack of labs and materials. A shortage of qualified science teachers further impacts instruction's quality. Consequently, student performs in a science as seen in international assessment remains a concern.
Moving forward, a concerted effort from various stakeholders is crucial to elevate the condition of science education in the Philippines. Increase investment in infrastructure and resources for schools, particularly in underserved communities, is paramount, strengthening teacher training and professional development programs. With a focus on contemporary pedagogical approach and content specialization, is essential to ensure quality instruction. Moreover, exploring strategies to address language barriers and promote contextualized learning that connects science to students' everyday lives can enhance engagement and understanding. Encourage talent attraction and retention. Offer competitive incentives. Provide attractive salaries, benefits, and research opportunities to lure top talent, foster our culture or innovation. Encourage experimentation, risk-taking, and creativity within organizations. Support diversity and inclusion, promote equal opportunities and inclusive workplace to tap into diverse perspectives and skills. International collaboration and knowledge sharing. Participate in global initiatives, engage in international collaboration such as the European Union's Horizon Europe program, host international conference and events, organize conference, workshops, and seminars to facilitate knowledge sharing and networking. Establish exchange programs, develop programs for researchers, students, and professional ideas and expertise globally.
However, the K-12 curriculum and the STEM track offer potential for improvement through inquiry-based learning and specialized focus. The DOST and its agencies actively support science education through scholarships, resource development, and teacher training. A collaborative effort is needed to cultivate a scientifically literate citizenry and contribute to national development in science and technology.
Science education in the Philippines, challenges and opportunities. Science education in the Philippines stands a critical juncture, facing both significant challenges and promising opportunities for improvement. So, while the country recognizes the vital role of science and technology in national development, the actual condition of science education across various levels reveals a complex landscape needing careful attention and strategical intervention. One of the primary challenges lies in the resource constraints plaguing the public education system. Many schools, particularly in rural areas, suffer from a lack of adequate science laboratories, equipment, and up-to-date learning materials. This severely limits the opportunity for hands-on experimentation and practical application of scientific concepts, hindering deeper understanding and engagement among students. Furthermore, there are a noted shortage of qualified science teachers, especially in specialized fields like physics and chemistry. Often teachers are assigned to a science subject outside their area for expertise, impact the quality of instruction, and potentially fostering misconceptions.
Students' performance in science, as reflected in national and international assessments, also presents a cause of concern. Results from the Program for International Student Assessment, or PISA, have indicated that Filipino students lag behind their counterparts in other countries in science literacy. This suggests that the current pedagogical approaches and curriculum implementation may not be effectively cultivating the critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical skills essential for scientific understanding. Factors such as language barriers, where English as the medium of instruction poses difficulties for some students, and varying levels of preparedness among students entering different grade levels also contribute to this challenge. However, amidst these difficulties, there are notable efforts and opportunities for progress. The K-12 curriculum, with its emphasis on a spiral progression of science concept and inquiry-based learning, holds the potential to foster a more holistic and engaging science education. The inclusion of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM track in senior high school aims to cultivate a stronger interest in the science-related, prepare students for tertiary education and future careers in these crucial areas.
Ultimately, fostering a strong foundation in science education is vital for the Philippines to build a scientifically literate citizenry capable of addressing national challenges and contributing to global advancements. By acknowledging the existing challenges and capitalizing on the opportunities through sustained commitment and collaborative action, the country can pave the way for a brighter future in science and technology. By implementing these strategies, the country can restrengthen its science and technology ecosystem, drive innovation, and thrive in the fourth industrial revolution. To strengthen and improve the state of the science and technology, the country consider the following strategies: invest in education and research, enhance STEM education, focus on improving science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
So that's all for our discussion, sir.